Hey, what's going on, guys? For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Isaiah. Today we're going to be focusing on some Honda work. Um, while I'm still trying to budget and save for this hydraulic conversion, today we're going to be focusing on tearing down the engine bay. So if you don't know what I'm talking about as far as the hydraulic conversion, go back to my most recent video, the one right before this, and go ahead and watch that. You'll be caught up. So what we are going to be doing today is just tearing down the engine bay. I've never done this before. This is going to be an experience for me. I've watched a handful of videos already, but we're going to be just tearing down the engine bay, and we're going to get it ready for some paint before we drop this motor in it. So the bumper's already off, the hood's already off. There's like a little bumper brace I'm going to go ahead and strip down. Both fenders got to come off, another headlight has to come off, and then we're going to jump into the harnesses, brake lines, all that fun stuff. So like I said, this is something I've never done before, so I'm excited. And I also want to get some of you guys more involved in my videos. So I was curious on what kind of color of paint we should go with the engine bay. So do you guys recommend staying OEM, just going with that silver metallic color that the car is, or maybe something a little bit different? If you guys have any opinions, go ahead and drop down in the comments. I want to see what you guys think, and I want to get you guys more involved in my videos. I want to hear from you guys more. So that's one thing we need to start doing. But let's go check out this engine bay. This is where we're gonna start right here. Take this little brace off. The next fender, headlight, maybe some of this fender liner. Go ahead and take all these hoses off. I'm going to be filming every little piece that I do take off, and for certain hardware, I got some Ziploc bags with a little marker, and I'm going to go ahead and label everything. That way I know where everything's going to be going, because this could be a week when everything goes back together after some paint, or it could be a solid month, 2-3 months. So I'm gonna go ahead and document every little piece that I can, and we're gonna go from there. boys, I think that's gonna be it for today. Got both the fenders off, we got the bumper brace off, got the horns off, the last headlight that was attached. For the most part, from the front end all the way to the firewall, the harness is completely free. In the next video, we will be focusing on cleaning the fenders, the inside, and inside, so much gunk came out, man. Like, this is one side that came out, that's another side, and both fenders are still completely filled with a bunch of gunk and dirt. But in the next video, we will be cleaning the fenders, the insides of them. We will be removing the remainder of what is here, all the brake lines, everything, all of it. The harness, I don't know if I'm gonna have to pull it through the firewall and pull the dash eventually, or if I'm gonna have to tuck it, but that's where we're gonna call it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, definitely a learning experience. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give your boy a thumbs up. And just like we talked about earlier, I want to get you guys more involved in my videos, and I want to hear more from you guys, the people that are watching my videos. So engine bay color, should we keep this girl OEM, keep her nice silver metallic blue, or what do you guys think? Like a satin black, maybe like a really pretty purple with some flake in it. That's kind of where I'm leading, but I want to hear what you guys think. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.